Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some breaking news. The official press images of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra have now been leaked in all colors and from all angles. So let's dive in and see what's going on and discover some other critical information on the S23 series. Now, as you know, Samsung has announced that it will hold the Unpacked event on February the 1st, where they will officially announce the S23 series. They are going to announce 3 smartphones: the S23 Ultra with a 6.8-inch display, the S23 Plus with a 6.6-inch display, and the smallest S23 with a 6.1-inch display. And of course, the accuracy of these images cannot be disputed. They come from the legendary leaker Evan Blass. All 3 models will utilize the new powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is guaranteed to have highest levels of performance. Now, this processor is already available on some other phones on the market and has proven itself to be a capable monster, even rivaling the iPhone 14 Pro Max's A16 Bionic chip. Now, before we move further and reveal some critical information, make sure to click the link down below to reserve your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in your favorite color. And by doing so, you'll also get up to $100 in Samsung credit, which is basically free money that you can use on the day of the pre-order, which will be February the 1st. So once you click that link, you're going to be at this website. This is Samsung's website. You can even scroll over here to the next slide and watch the teaser trailer that has a bunch of clues. But what you want to do is you want to scroll down, you want to click on reserve both. That's the Galaxy smartphone and the Galaxy book, and that's $100 Samsung credit. And then you scroll down, put your name, last name, email. You do not have to put your phone number, and then click reserve, and you're going to be good to go and locked in for the best deal. This is a no-brainer because there's no obligation to buy. If you reserve and you buy, you save. If you reserve and you do not buy, you just move on. Nothing happens. So here's the S23 Ultra. We have 4 colors in total. The naming convention for the colors is rather unique. We have a phantom black color. Then we have a cotton flower, which is going to be the closest thing to white color, a botanic green color as opposed to green, and a misty lilac color, which basically means good old purple. So those are the options. And do drop a comment below and let me know which color you will be getting. It is also important to note that we also have leaks for the S23 Plus and the S23 model, which basically comes in the same exact colors as the S23 Ultra. It does have a slightly more rounded design from the front, as you can see. Certainly looks stunning. Now, personally, I prefer the boxy professional design on the S23 Ultra, but this is not bad either. Again, as usual, there's 3 choices, and you can pick the one that you want. So that's basically all the major leaks we have for today. And also, do not forget to click that link and reserve your Samsung phone and get up to $100 credit. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below as well.